I'm Riley from Bodyartforms, and today I'll be teaching you basic cleaning for all jewelry. The method to clean each piece can differ depending on its material. Jewelry should never be cleaned with alcohol or harsh chemicals. It's generally best to stick to warm water and gentle antibacterial soap. So make sure to use a no alcohol wash if you have a tongue piercing or any inner mouth jewelry. Jewelry should also not be boiled, nor should you attempt to sanitize it with a lighter. Most jewelry can be cleaned with gentle soap and warm water. This includes all metals, glass, silicone, bioplast, and acrylic. Simply use your hands or a soft bristle toothbrush to clean and dislodge any particles. Always dry your jewelry immediately. Some metals like brass or silver will begin to tarnish if left wet. If your jewelry is tarnished, you can polish it a couple of different ways depending on the metal. Silver can be buffed with a polishing cloth, while brass can be polished with a baking soda paste and gentle scrubbing with a soft bristle toothbrush. Be careful if your jewelry has any kind of gem or cabochon setting and avoid getting water under them. Trapped water can discolor gems or even cause bacterial growth, so you may want to avoid soaking any jewelry with such settings. If your glass jewelry has a printed gold leaf design on the front, avoid excess rubbing as it could start to remove the design over time. Pat dry if it gets wet, or avoid getting it wet at all and focus your cleaning on the wearable instead. For your stone, wood, horn, or bone jewelry, gently clean them with a damp cloth to remove any debris or dirty spots, then dry immediately. For wood, horn, and bone, apply a bit of jojoba oil or beeswax after cleaning to keep the jewelry looking rich and shiny and to prevent it from drying out.